Welcome to Wahl, Australia, and today I'm going to talk to you about our new mini massager gun. You'll see it comes in pink, comes in blue, and then it also comes in slate. Now let's take a look inside the box and see what you get when you purchase it. So when you open this up, you'll notice you're going to get the little storage pouch so you can put the massager and all the attachments in there, whether you're throwing it in your gym bag or your backpack or a weekend bag. You're going to get the instruction booklet and your warranty guide. Naturally, you'll also get your compact massager, which has the flat head attachment on it. And then as we look at the other attachments, you're gonna get the wedge, you're gonna get the fork, you will receive the bullet, and if I can get this one out, I'll show you, you're gonna get the large round head, and then naturally, you're also gonna have your charging station. So this is everything you're gonna get with the Wahl mini massager gun. If you click on the next video, I'll show you how these are all gonna help you a little bit more in your recovery.